Really delightful. We're so honoured and so grateful to the NBN.
So we're Threshold. We create theatrical experiences that invite people to connect more deeply with each other. And we do this, we're passionate about it because we know that when people connect, we have stronger communities, people are happier, and yeah, we are more human when we're not isolated and living alone.
We've seen a shift in families that we've worked with that have done our adventures in the past. Lots of delight and joy. Our digital experiences, people participate in them in their homes. So we don't always get to witness exactly what's happening, but we hear from people that they have had beautiful connective experiences, that they've learnt new ways to play, that there's been a long legacy within their relationships in their homes. So that happens sort of all around the world, but our community is the one that we see a lot of and that have been really supportive of our work.
Yeah, and if I can just add one thing, like we live in an extraordinarily creative community. So we engage regional creative artists, whether it's sound designers, composers, visual artists, graphic designers. So the impact on our creative community and the opportunities that we've been able to provide our creative colleagues has been, a beautiful thing, a beautiful part of it as well. Yeah, well, Best Party Ever was a live interactive Zoom show that we created with comedian Matt Kelly as the host. And with this grant, we're going to turn it into an on-demand experience. So something that people can access 24/7 from wherever they are in Australia or the world.
So important. Everything relies on us having good internet. And I was saying the other day, we got internet in Kyneton before many of our city friends and family, and we were so smug about it because we had faster internet than people in the city, and we've been grateful since then. It actually was why we knew that we could set up a business like this.
I would say find excellent people to collaborate with, whether it's a co-founder like Sarah or whether it's, the local artists that we work with. Like, you can't create a business by yourself. And I think even if you do have to set off by yourself, find other people who are doing it and kind of, that way you can buoy each other along. Cheese.
Chips.
Nature.
More? Family.
Yeah,
say that.
Definitely family.
I often do my top 3 and forget my family, and they get really angry. Because water slides is one of them as well.
The Innovate with NBN grant is an opportunity to articulate your why and to have that validated and appreciated on a national level.
Do it. Apply now. Do it. Especially arts companies. You're doing innovation. You're creatively innovative every day, so apply for this.
And then apply again in 2 years and you'll win!